Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the GATE exam pattern for 2026. In this presentation, we will walk you through the updated structure, marking scheme, and important changes that you need to know to prepare effectively. GATE, or Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, is a national level exam that serves as a gateway for admission to MTech, ME, and PhD programs across prestigious institutes like IITs, NITs, and IIITs. Additionally, GATE scores are also used by public sector undertakings, PSUs, like ONGC, ISRO, and NTPC for recruitment. The GATE 2026 exam will consist of 100 total marks, 180 minutes duration, 65 total questions, 15 marks for general aptitude, which is common to all papers. The exam will be conducted as a computer-based test with 10 general aptitude questions and 55 subject-specific questions. The GATE 2026 exam features 3 types of questions. Multiple choice questions. These have a single correct answer and negative marking applies for wrong answers. Multiple select questions. These can have more than one correct answer with no negative marking. Numerical answer type, NAT. These require numeric answers and no negative marking is applied. Each question can carry either 1 or 2 marks based on the difficulty. Here is how the marking works in GATE 2026. For MCQs, 1-mark questions will have a penalty of 1/3 for wrong answers and 2-mark questions will have a penalty of 2/3. For MSQs and NATs, there is no negative marking for incorrect answers. The exam is designed to test a broad range of cognitive abilities, including recall, application, and problem-solving skills. The exam pattern varies based on the subject paper you choose. For example, Architecture AR, General Aptitude 15 marks, plus Part A 60 marks, plus Part B 25 marks. Engineering Sciences XE, General Aptitude 15 marks, plus Section A 15 marks, plus any 2 of the remaining sections, 2 into 35 marks. Other subjects like chemistry, mathematics, and physics have their own tailored distribution patterns. Make sure to review the specific pattern for your chosen subject. One exciting feature of GATE 2026 is the option to appear for 2 papers. You should select your 2 papers wisely based on your academic background and career goals. This option opens up more opportunities, especially for interdisciplinary candidates. But make sure to consider the logistics of exam scheduling and infrastructure availability when making your choice. Here are some important dates for GATE 2026. Registration opens August 28, 2025. Last date to apply without late fee, September 28, 2025. Admit card release, January 2026. Exam dates, February 7, 8, 14 and 15, 2026. For effective preparation, focus on understanding the syllabus, practice all question types, and work on developing strong time management skills. To succeed in GATE 2026, follow these key steps. 1. Understand the exam pattern and plan your study according to the updated syllabus. 2. Leverage the 2-paper option if it aligns with your goals. 3. Practice extensively with mock tests and previous year papers to enhance your speed and accuracy. 4. Stay updated on any changes via the official website of IIT Guwahati, gate2026.iitg.ac.in. GATE 2026 is a chance to open doors to premier institutes and PSU careers. Prepare smart, aim high, and succeed.